All right, while I have this instrument for the month, I'm going to be testing a lot of the things in the garage to kind of validate that what I have is what I have. One of the things that I use constantly is this little board that I built decades ago, oh God, 40 years ago, maybe 40? Yeah, maybe 40 years ago I built this board. And while I was at Hewlett-Packard, so it's a gold PC board, and it's got Hewlett-Packard parts on it. So not this. This is a 10 megahertz crystal that I ripped out of some piece of old GPS equipment, and I've kind of got the how good it is there. So this is my 10 megahertz reference for many years. I mean that's enough digits for the garage, and it was fine. And then this is a nice Cal. I had this one, which was a 10 volt reference, and I blew it up. And here's another 10 volt reference, which is even better than that one. This is an 8587, and it's quite good to 0.01%, something like that. It's really good. Anyway, I want to measure the resistors today, though. That's kind of what I use this board mostly for. I don't use the 10 volts any longer. I don't use the 10 megahertz any longer. I have a rubidium standard for this, and I have other things for that. So, but the resistors I still use all the time. And I have them on the board with soldered on with little gold posts, so there's no contact resistance. And these are 0.01% resistors, so they're very expensive resistors. So I'm going to be using a 4-wire Kelvin contact. I put this into 4-wire mode, so we'll hook it up to the first one here and see how we do. So this is a 10 ohm, so this would be 1%, 0.1%, 0.01. Yes, so 0.01% looks like it's right around 0.01%, maybe 0.0005. Anyway, it's good. It's good. Let's look at the next one. They're going to be a little bit temperature stable, temperature sensitive, and it's cold in the garage today. So there we go. That's 1%. Yeah, this is 0.02% off. So yeah, not quite 0.1%. I'm kind of shocked about that one. 0.02, maybe even 0.03. So not quite sure about that one. Am I counting? Am I counting correctly? Maybe I'm not counting correctly. Yeah, ones, tens. Yeah. All right. Let's take a look at this one. Yeah, that one looks good, right? That was very, very accurate, the 1K resistor. Let's look at this one. 10K, that one's a bit out too, 0.04. I don't know. Maybe these resistors have aged. I kind of don't believe that. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know. Oh, that one looks good. That's a 10 megohm one. That one looks pretty good. Let's go back and measure these in reverse order here. Okay, that looks good. Okay, that one looks good. Maybe I'm just not making good contact here. Yeah, there we go. Let's see here. Yeah, this one's out just a tiny bit. Just a tiny bit. We'll go back to the first one. Anyway, I say they're still pretty good for the garage. They're still pretty good for the garage. Okay, another thing that I wanted to test. I've showed this before. All right, you may have seen me use this thing. It's this cool dial thing. You can dial in any number you want here. And it is a Dekastat made by the ESI company. They make all that cool, real high precision reference stuff, voltage standards and things. The Electro Scientific Instruments, Portland, Oregon. Must be a spin out of Tektronix or somebody who didn't want to work for Tektronix. They created their own company. Anyway, or maybe they were building these for Tektronix and they made a company around it. I don't know. Who knows? Let's put it on here. And now we can dial in a value. So here we have 100K. So this is in Ks. So let me put in 0. So this is the 0, and it is a bit off. So we hit the null button here. And now we have a good null for 0, 0, 0. And we will hit the 1 button here. 1 button here. That was pretty good for 1 ohm, and here's 1/10 of an ohm. Yeah, very, very nice. These things are great. Let's go here. 200 or 20, 30, 40. Yeah, these are really cool resistors. Now, if you oops, let's see if sometimes you have to the wiping. I probably should take it apart and clean it. Yeah. That's really, really close. So this is rated at, on the box here, it's rated, I typed it in here. I think if you look these up, this is the accuracy. They're also 0.01%. So like my other little board, this one is also 0.01%. So this one is good from 1.2K to 0.1K. So, or I'm sorry, 1.2K to 0.1 ohms. And then I have one more that I want to test. And I don't use this one very often on camera. I've showed it before, but this is made by the same company. And it is my Dekastat. Let me move the camera a bit. All right, so this one's the Dekabox. The other one's the Dekastat. This one's the Dekabox. And there's 2 of those things here, and they're ganged together. And this one has lower accuracy, though. This one is 0.05%. All right, and then you can dial in a number here. So let's put in the biggest number it can do. And let's put in some, there we go. So 1 megohm. So that's 1 meg. Should be 100K, 10K. Wait a minute. Oh, this is 1 meg. Here we go. Here's 100K. Looks pretty good. 10K. 1K looks very nice. 100 ohms. 0.1%. That's kind of, let me move it back and forth a bit. Yeah. Okay, let's zero this one. Maybe it has an offset. Okay, this one does have an offset, so we'll hit the, we're going to null this one. Okay, there we're nulled. And, oh yeah, that's better. That's 0.06%, pretty close to 0.05. Let's look at 200, 300, 400. Yeah, they look pretty good. Go down here to 10. 0.05%. 1%. No, that's 0.5%. That's pretty bad. Maybe there's another spec you have to read for how these things operate. 1 ohm. Yeah, it's still like pretty darn good, right? All the way up to, what did I say? All the way up to a meg? Yeah, 1 meg. It'll go to 11. Mine goes to 11. So it'll do 1.1 megs. Yeah, pretty cool. So you can put in a number like 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oops, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. Okay, let's buckle these a bit, see if there are any contact errors. Nope. So yeah, there you go. So it's a 5-digit, 4.5-digit resistor. Not too bad. Not too bad. How about 111, 111, 1111, 111. Okay. Anyway, still pretty nice. Still pretty nice. Doesn't have any major issues. And I'm happy with that. So anyway, that was a bunch of resistors for the day.